Hey, so figured out the wiring issue. 86 four-door Cuddy, bro. You that motherfucker, bro. Like, you that nigga. There's this orange wire coming from the switches. Gets tied to one of the blue wires. There's two blue wires, light blue wires. One of the blue wires get tied to the blue wire that comes from the switch, and then the orange wire coming from the switch gets tied to the blue wire that's going to the motor. 86 four-door Cuddy, hey, you my nigga for that. But check it out. Just snapping a picture real quick. Now, the sunroof part that's venting it, closing it all the way back. Oh shit, hold on. It doesn't look too bad. Yeah. Snapping a picture of it opened. Now let me close this motherfucker and go about my motherfucking evening. All right, so again, the wires coming from the motor, you got two greens, two blues, one tan, one thick orange, one thick black, and one purple. And then the wires coming from the switches, you have a gray, two blacks, a tan, an orange, and a light blue. If you're just grabbing the switches and just need the switches wiring, you'll strip it all the way down, and then it'll turn into one black wire. So then that one black wire gets tied to the thick black wire. These two greens get tied to this orange. The purple get tied to purple. One of the light blues get tied to one of the light blues. One of the oranges from the switch gets tied to the light blue coming from the motor harness and shit. And then the purple gets tied to purple, grays get tied to gray, and that's it. But finally got it figured out. 86 four-door Cuddy, you that motherfucker, bro. I appreciate you.